Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to explain comes from technicians who work daily in this well-known appliance repair shop in the city, so don't worry, this issue can be solved. In the workshop, the EF8 error in Electrolux dryers is almost always related to an airflow or ventilation problem within the system. What's interesting is that the dryer may turn on normally and even rotate the drum without any issue. But at some point in the cycle, it stops and displays the code as a safety protection. In fact, it's very common to hear customers describe similar situations. A customer named Kevin told us, "The dryer starts fine, but after a few minutes it stops and EF8 appears," while a customer named Melissa mentioned that the clothes were still damp even though the cycle seemed to finish. In the workshop, these symptoms already point us strongly toward an airflow issue. From a technical standpoint, one of the most common causes is a clogged lint filter or a blocked ventilation duct. When hot air cannot escape properly, the dryer begins to build up internal heat and moisture, which triggers the EF8 error as a safety measure. One of the technicians explains it simply. If the air cannot get out, the machine protects itself and shuts down. From there, we've also seen cases where the issue is related to the temperature or humidity sensor. If these sensors start reading incorrect values, the dryer may believe airflow is inadequate even when everything appears normal physically. Some customers say things like, "Everything looks fine," but the machine shuts off halfway through the cycle, which in the workshop indicates that it's no longer just ventilation, but also an internal reading issue. In day-to-day work at the shop, we also inspect the external vent duct, because when it is bent, crushed, or filled with lint buildup, hot air cannot exit properly. This is one of the most common issues in homes where the dryer has not been maintained for a while, and it causes exactly these kinds of intermittent errors. Recently, we've also seen that some Electrolux models may display EF8 when there are inconsistencies in the control system that monitors airflow. Although the manufacturer does not always label it as a critical failure, some technical bulletins emphasize the importance of keeping ventilation paths clean and checking sensors when the error becomes recurrent.